In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to take your train and make the exploded view for inserting into the drawing sheet. So we have to create a presentation file by going to New Presentation. And you'll notice there are a lot less buttons up here. I'm going to hit Create View. And if I already have my train open, it's going to be in the drop-down menu. If not, you can look for it. And I'm going to do the manual method. Right, and the idea here is that you want to move everything so that you can see all of the parts. So what I'm going to do is tweak the components. And when you tweak the components, you have three choices: direction, components, and trail origin. You have some distances or rotations that you can do as well. So what you want to do is kind of pull your train apart almost in reverse order that you put it together. So you don't going to take the wheels off first, you take the pins off. All right, so I'm going to start off with my stack just because it's up at the top, and you'll notice as you click around on it there's a number of different arrows and the Z is pointing up. So I'm going to just click somewhere. I'm going to make sure the Z is highlighted by clicking on it again, and you might have noticed that the component arrow went from red to white. And then my trail origin, I'm going to click again, and I'm holding down the mouse and I'm dragging it up. Once you have it in place, you hit apply. And then I can clear and move on to my next one. So I'm going to move on to my cow catcher. When I pull the cow catcher off, in order to get it to come straight out, I need that surface on the top so that my Y direction is straight out. So I'm going to click on the cow catcher, click on the Y arrow, all right, so that it's highlighted, and then click trail origin again. And I'll try this again. Sometimes it doesn't always work, so you can clear, try it again, click, and then click it out. All right. And so I'm going to move that cow catcher out, hit apply, hit clear. And now you can do a couple things at a time, like I'm going to do my link pins here together. So I'm going to select both of them, make sure my Z is selected, and then I'm going to drag them out and they'll come out at the same time. Hit clear, grab this, drag it out, hit clear. I'm going to grab these two. Alright, when you click, notice how my wheel's highlighting. I got to make sure the wheel doesn't highlight, otherwise that's going to come with it. And then, I'm going in the wrong direction, so I check my Z. Alright, takes a little getting used to. Let's grab this one. See how I got my wheel? So I'm just going to clear it and start over if that happens. So click on the two objects and drag those out. Now I'm going to drag them out just a little bit. And now I'm going to grab my wheels. I haven't hit clear, and then they'll all come together. And then if you need to move everything a little bit farther, right, you can kind of keep clicking. You want to see the holes in your train and things like that. Right. Now I've got to move around to the back and get that hitch magnet so I can see the hitch magnet. So I'm going to kind of do the same thing here that I've been doing. I'm going to pull, let me clear, try this again. Grab the magnet in the X direction, pull that out, and grab the other part, pull that out, spin it around back to my main view and make sure that I can see it. I don't have to pull the rest of the train out because it's the same on both sides. Right? And then I hit clear again, close, and then save. And that's how you create the exploded view for the assembly.